Allah sent many prophets to spread the message of Islam. The Quran is a guide for all of Allah's followers, and in the Quran there are 25 prophets mentioned. One of these is Prophet Hud alayhi salam, and today I'm going to tell you his story. A long time ago, a great tribe lived in the south of Arabia. They were called Ad. They were smart and knew how to do many things. They lived in the mountains, carving out great mansions with wonderful pillars. They called their famous city Iram. As time went on, the people of Ad thought more about themselves and less about Allah. They thought they didn't need Allah because they had lots of money and power. They thought they were being clever, but really they were foolish. Before long, they turned into bad ways, into gangs that robbed and killed people. But there was still one good man among them. His name was Hud. He did not belong to any of the gangs, he did not agree with the things that they did, and he tried to tell them to change their ways and to follow Allah. Hud said Allah would punish the bad ones, but most of the people would still not listen. Allah told Hud to take all the good people into a big cave near the city. The very next day, a huge black cloud appeared in the sky over the people of Iram. When the disbelievers saw it, they said, "This cloud is surely going to bring us some refreshing rain." But they were mistaken. The cloud brought a terrible wind which killed them all. The storm raged for 8 days and 7 nights. The wind swept everything away. Nothing was left but the remains of the houses and towers. The people that listened, they were the ones that were saved. To learn more about the prophets, watch out for more prophet stories in this series.